When you're in love, the thought of life without your partner is unbearable. You feel a strong connection to them, and you cannot imagine your life without them. When you're in love, you choose your partner's happiness over your own. You want to make them happy and do whatever it takes to support them. When you're in love, you feel comfortable being yourself around your partner. You look forward to spending time with each other. Whether it's going out or just spending time at home, you enjoy being together. You support each other through the thick and thin of life. You're there for the other through the ups and downs of life. Love binds us together. It's a beautiful feeling. Without love, you cannot actually be happy, because it's one of the strongest feelings in the world. Love is thrilling and passionate, a feeling that lasts a lifetime. It's more important to be the right person than to find the right person. One of the wonderful things about having a companion is that you see the world through their eyes. It kind of broadens your vision. You deal with stress as if there was no burden. You smile to brighten the darkest hours. You cry when you're most happy, and you laugh when you're afraid. When things aren't going as planned, you help each other find your smiles. You protect each other when you're scared. If you really, really love somebody, nothing in this world can take that love away from you. Absolutely nothing. This is a story of a couple that's extraordinary in ways of their love, devotion, and commitment to each other for 50 long years. In times of a more simpler world, these two loved each other like Dimple Kapadia and Rishi Kapoor of Bobby. Mr. and Mrs. Velekar met in their teens and was smitten with each other.
ताणें म्हाका पसंद केल्लें पयलींच. ताका सामक्यो लायनी आशिल्ल्यो व्हंकलाच्यो सुंदर सुंदर सामक्यो. पूण ताणें म्हाका लायक केलें आनी मागीर आमगेलें जालें म्हणटा लग्न.
पयलीं तेगे एकदम मैत्रिणी भितर सगळ्यो आशिल्ल्यो ज्यो आयिल्ल्यो तेन्ना सुद्दां I like that, she also like me, but we can't tell each other. But तेगे फकाण मारताले कोण तेगे मैत्रिण्यो म्हगेले फ्रेंड तेन्ना थोडे जाणा आशिल्ले म्हण ते भावान बिवान दाखोवन दिनाशिल्लें असो.
Meeta and Ulhas took the conventional route of proposal through family. They decided to tie the knot on the 9th of May 1974 and forged a relationship that became a bedrock of their future generations.
स्वभावान बरोसो दिसलो सगळ्या कडेन आमचे घरान असो सगळ्या कडेन बरो करून उलोवप आनी दिसतालोय बरो. हांव कांयच न्ही ताजें.
शी इज व्हेरी मायल्ड, गूड पर्सनॅलिटी, गूड नेचर. म्हज्या मनांत गेली म्हणना तशी तिजें प्रेम बसलें. ती ते सामकी हेमा मालिनी ड्रेस करता पळय तशीच ती करून येताली बॉम्बेच्यान.
पास रहती है वो पल दो पल. कौन? ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल. ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का
50 years seem like a lifetime, but these two have spent it with enough love that it seems to them that years have passed just too soon. And even after all these years, their admiration for each other is simply remarkable. What really brought them together is their 3 children, Preetham, Vikram and Tina.
मेन थिंग इज भुरग्यांक पयलीं पळोवपाचें, मागीर आमगे तें मागीर आमी पळोवपाचें.
भुरग्यांचे सगळें पळयताले, स्टडीज सगळें हांवूच पळयतालें.
कोंकणीचे सर भुरगे व्हड आसा ही शिकयताली कोंकणी लँग्वेज फेमस. कितें बी सगळ्या कोंकणी ही टिचर.
My dad is my favorite person. उल्हास नाव हे तुम्ही जाणा. इज सो नांवा वयल्यान कळटा की इज व्हेरी जॉयफूल पर्सन. अँड जॉयफूल पर्सन म्हणल्यार आमची सगळी जी तेजी नात्रां आसात आनी तशी आमी ती सामकी डॅडी म्हणल्यार जालो तांकां. आनी डॅडीचें नांव घेतल्यार पुरो डॅडी इज ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर द ग्रँड चिल्ड्रन वीथ वॉट एवर दे आस्क फॉर. आनी तेंच म्हाका सुद्दां एज सच लायक हांव म्हज्या मनान कितें म्हाका घेवपाचें आसा तें ताका पयलींच कळटा.
तिनाची लाट चड जाले आमचे चली जाल्या वाटलें.
म्हजी मम्मी शी इज व्हेरी कॅरींग एंड व्हेरी लवींग. आजुनी पर्यंत हांव म्हणूं शकता की शी इज 75 years old नाव. म्हजी भुरग्याक तिणेंच सांबाळ्ळें म्हणल्यार जाता. द वुमन वीच यू कॅन सी इन मी इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ माय मॉम.
They're very loving and caring.
They're a couple who, cover up and make sure everyone in the house is felt warm. And that's why you see a lot of love in our family. And I hope their love continues and they keep inspiring us and many people around them.
त्या रात्रीन माडाच्या सावलीन तारिल्या चुकीत माडार हातात घालून हात नाचूया गावया घुमटाच्या मधुर तालार.
मम्मी एंड डॅडी हॅव इन्स्पायर्ड अस अ लॉट. तुमचे पळोवन आमी एक्चुली लव रिस्पेक्ट कशें एकमेकाक दिवप, कशें प्रेम करप. दे लव ईच अदर. इतलें प्रेम आसा तेंच्या दोगां भितर की एकमेकाक सोडून रावनात. खंय कितें बाजारान गेले जाल्यार सुद्दां दोगूय वतले.
डॅडीचें म्हाका सांगपा आसा की डॅडी म्हाका स्कुला सोडपा येतालो. ड्रायव्हर आसून आपूण स्वता येतालो व्हरपा आनी हाडपाक. तें आजून म्हाका याद जाता. मम्मीचे तरी मम्मी ते टिफीन बिफीन आपूण स्वता हाडून दिताले. ते सगळे स्कुलाचे यादी आनी खूब खूब यादी आसात.
पयलीं प्रितम जालो आनी तेन्ना सगळीं खूश जालीं. घरान कोण अशें ल्हान भुरगीं नाशिल्लें ह्या घरान. म्हणून ताजेरूच लक्ष सगळें. ताजे नंतर मागीर 2 वर्सां नंतर मागीर विक्रम जालो. विक्रम अमेरिकनचो. तागेले हाजे प्रितमाले केस करली आनी हाजे अशें बरें अमेरिकन म्हणजे गार्डनान बी व्हरताले तेन्ना हो अमेरिकन बरो दिसता म्हणटा.
प्रितम एंड माय सेल्फ वेन वी एंटर्ड बिजनस दुकानाचेर म्हजो आजो आशिल्लो आनी डॅडी आशिल्लो. बेसिकली आजो वॉज लायक वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बट डॅडी वॉज लायक ही नेवर ऑब्जेक्टेड कितें अशें कर तशें कर. All these things helped us in getting success in business because he never stopped us from doing anything and he always appreciated whatever we did. मम्मी कितें सांगू तुका, मम्मी इज लायक अ जासूस. वॉट शी यूज टू डू, शी यूज टू प्लॅन ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर मी आनी सदांच म्हाका सांगताली की यो ऑन बस, ब्रेकफास्टाची बस. सो द आयडिया वॉज टू टेक लॉट ऑफ न्यूज फ्रॉम मी. My mom is a good listener. Whatever problems I had in my life, I used to come and I used to discuss a lot of things with her. And after listening, she used to always come with some good solutions to me.
आमचे कितेंय अशें गुड टायम्स बॅड टायम्स कितें आसा तातूंत मम्मी हॅज ऑलवेज स्टूड फॉर अस एंड डॅडी ऑल्सो. दे हॅव प्लेड अ इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन रेजिंग माय किड्स ऑल्सो. दे हॅव ऑलवेज स्टेप्ड इन एंड गिवन मी अ लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट. सो आई एम व्हेरी ग्रेटफुल, व्हेरी लकी टू हॅव देम इन माय लाइफ एज माय in-laws. The bond that mommy and daddy share, I've seen for the past 18 years of my marriage, is just remarkable and it's very inspiring.
Those who are married would know that it isn't easy to keep the spark alive for that long. However, these two have managed to establish a routine of mundane activities that has helped them bond and strengthen their marriage. Whether it is Ullas simply fixing the taps and hose while Meeta engages in gardening or playing carom and table tennis together, they have their little moments of fun and laughter. Life has rewarded them with the most precious gifts. Their 6 beautiful grandchildren. These little ones now have taken a center stage in their life and shall continue to love their grandparents forevermore.
So केन्ना आमी धाकटी आशिल्ली तेन्ना every time after school daddy used to get us chocolates and mommy always takes care of us when our parents are not at home.
शौर्य तुका याद आसा मम्मी आशिल्ली न्ही आमी राती न्हिदता आसतना मोबायल खेळटा आसतना पळय मम्मी जोडकी न्हीद पावन
सदां स्कुलान जेन्ना रेडी जातालो तेन्ना डॅडी सदां येवन फोटो काडटालो मागीर युनिफॉर्मान NCC हितून सगळे आशिल्ले.
आमगेलो सदां मागीर सॅटर्डे संडे मुवी नायट आसतालो आणि मागीर जर चड लेट जालें जाल्यार सगळ्यांक रुमान धाडटाली.
Daddy, he gives coins if I want like that. If I have money, he gives. Anything he gives.
म्हजो फेवरेट मोमेंट कितें आशिल्लो केन्ना मम्मी आमचे कडल्यान फोन घेताली आनी डॅडी आमकां फाटल्यान पॉकेटांतल्यान फोन हाडून दितालो आनी मम्मी म्हजी सामकी फेवरेट ती सगळ्यांक खूब जेवण करता.
म्हजी एक दीस मम्मा पापा नाशिल्ली घरा आनी घरा पुऱ्यो केल्ल्यो. म्हाका पुऱ्या बरोबर श्रीखंड खावपाक खूब आवडटालें आनी घरा श्रीखंड नाशिल्लें. हांव सामको हट्टीपणा करतालो की म्हाका श्रीखंडूच जाय. मागीर डॅडी आपलें जेवण सोडून उठून बाजारांत गेलो आनी म्हाका श्रीखंड हाडलें. ती म्हाका खूब लाड करता आनी आय एम व्हेरी लकी टू हॅव देम एज माय ग्रँडपेरंट्स.
We love you, Mummy and Daddy. Happy anniversary.
What is really admirable is their affection for each other even after all these years.
आणि जाणटेपणाक प्रेम चड वाडटा एकमेकांक, तें बरें आसा.
There's something about the two of you that brought friends and family here. Perhaps it's a love that everyone feels in your presence whenever you're near. So may you continue to brighten this world and to get just as much as you give, enjoying the fruits of the seeds you have sown every day for as long as you live.
हम तुम कितने पास है, कितने दूर है चांद सितारे. सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं सारे, मगर सच्चे